Aquarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 9 to 15th of August 2020. Thank you so much guys for your liking, subscribing and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth. So many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Aquarius, let's start your reading. This is from 9 to 15th of August 2020. And yeah, let's start your reading. Okay, beautiful shuffling. This is for the Aquarius people. Let's get the deck for you guys. This is for the Aquarius from 9 to 15th of August 2020. So yeah, let's see. Ace of Swords. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful energy. Okay. Patience, which is the Temperance of the Tarot. Two of Swords. Nine of Cups. Wow. Nine of Wands. King of Swords, which is you, Aquarius. Lovers, Gemini energy here. Three of Cups. Star, here you are. Wow. And the Three of Wands. Okay. Beautiful. So maybe some of you are dealing with an air sign, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Sagittarius is here, or yeah. Okay. So some kind of truth is coming for you during this time period of 9 to 15th of August maybe, and this will give you clarity to move forward in your life without any hesitation. Beautiful. Beautiful energy. Very clear. Okay. With this Patience, Two of Swords and the Nine of Cups. See? Something needs to happen at the time, and some kind of decision needs to be made at this time period, and that will lead to your wish fulfillment. Beautiful. So I'm feeling that you have made some kind of decision. Now you are going to have your wish fulfillment very soon. Wow. Okay. With the Nine of Wands, King of Swords and the Lovers card present here, you are very blunt, you are very clear, you are not receiving any kind of BS in your energy circle. You are just neglecting it, you are just avoiding it, you are just ignoring it, and you are making healthy boundaries, which is great, and people can observe that. Yeah, now we have to be very, what is that, alert with the Aquarius. We have to be speak the truth. We have to say the clear things to the Aquarius, because they are very intelligent right now. They can predict whatever we are doing. Maybe if it is on the workplace or in the family, whatever, wherever is it, they are very alert now, whoever you're dealing with. Because of your this cold behavior, because of these boundaries you are making. But this is great, you are very logical, very practical right now, which is great. Good. Three of Cups, Star and the Three of Wands. Yeah, I'm feeling that someone wants to reconcile with you with the Three of Cups and the Star card, but you are not looking at them. You are moving forward. You want your freedom, you want your stability, you want your beautiful connection. If this person is willing to give you that long term, because you are feeling complete within yourself, if they are ready to live their entire life with you, okay, then you will accept them back. And if they are still that immature behavior, like passionate thing, intimacy, and then go away, then you're not interested. You're not interested. What is this Ace of Swords here for the Aquarius? Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you are very busy. Seven of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, okay. Wow, Queen and King of Pentacles. See, you are very stable. I'm feeling that Aquarius, for some of you, this person is also very stable, but you are more mature, like in the spirituality and in your own growth of your soul. You're very you are a level up from this person, and you're not looking at this person. You're not looking at this person. Okay, what is this Two of Swords here? Okay, Six of Wands. Yeah, wow. Hermit, King of Wands. Okay, yeah, you have made a decision now. By making that decision, you're going to have your wish fulfillment. I'm feeling that this is the decision about working on yourself. Yeah, because before you were not working on yourself with this what was that? Maybe before you were not looking at yourself like this, and now you realize, no, I need to work on myself, because I need to have those vibration, higher vibration. I need to have those kind of energies, like in receiving energy. So that's why you are now working on yourself. With the Six of Wands and the Hermit, you are overcoming all those dark side of yours. You are now working on your shadow side. Yeah, definitely. And you are taking action towards your stability. You are making decisions for your stability. You are, this is not self-centered thing, no. This is called self-love. Okay, so you are loving yourself and you are doing great. This is the greatest thing. Okay, because whenever you are right, you can do the right for the others. Yeah, and you are now working on yourself. By doing this, you're overcoming the past behaviors of yours, which were not good maybe. So now you are realizing that, yeah, I need to work on these things, and you're working beautiful. And by doing this, you're attracting your wish fulfillment. You're attracting a very beautiful partner of yours. You're attracting the love of your life. King of Swords, please. Temptation here. Nine of Pentacles. Six of Cups. Okay, wow. Hierophant, bottom of the deck. See, you are in receiving energy totally. Even if you are divine masculine, you are in receiving energy, because you have surrendered to the universe that, yeah, universe, whatever you are giving me, I am in receiving energy. Please send me the good things and blessings and, abundance. Here you are. You have overcome this. See, you were maybe dealing with a karmic partner, or your karmic habits, or karmic patterns, or karmic loops, whatever was karmic for you in this connection, or for your generally, for you in general, your in your general life. Okay, you are coming out of it. You are overcoming this karmic behavior, and you have learned your lesson. Definitely. See, with the nines present here, Nine of Cups, Nine of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, you are now on completion. You are now completed the work you have to complete, and now you are going to meet your true soulmate, because Six of Cups with the Lovers, it's a true soulmate which universe has selected for you. It's beautiful. Okay, so let's see what is the star here for the Aquarius, because star is your energy, represents Aquarius. World. See, overcoming. Four of Pentacles, Five of Wands. Okay, yeah, you are overcoming this. You're overcoming this holding back situation. Maybe you were not speaking about your feelings before, or that's why the arguments happened, or that's why maybe the conflicts between you and the person you are dealing with, that's why fighting happens. But I'm feeling that you have overcome that, and you have healed from that situation. You are now spiritual, more spiritual. And if this is not you, this is your person, they are also overcoming this, because maybe they were not speaking you about their feelings. They were not telling you about their feelings. Yeah, and you want closure with them. But they want second chances with you. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is this Three of Wands here. Wow, Six of Swords. Okay, Eight of Wands and the Page of Wands. Oh, sorry, Eight of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. See, you are going with the flow. You're working on yourself, you're receiving the ideas from the universe, and then you're going with the flow. You're using those ideas into your reality, and that's why you're getting success with the Six of Wands and with the Nine of Cups. Yeah, you are getting successful. You're getting success by using the ideas which universe is giving you through your intuition and through your maybe dreams, maybe whatever, but you are using that, which is great. So this is I have for you, Aquarius. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful. Bye guys.